Hello everyone. So in our previous videos we discussed about the time complexity and space complexity of an algorithm. We saw how time and space affects the performance of an algorithm. But usually we don't go by the exact numbers, that how much exact time an algorithm is taking or how much space in numbers an algorithm is taking. So usually there are mathematical models which help us in determining the time and space complexity of an algorithm, and the analysis which deals with those mathematical models, we term it as asymptotic analysis. So what do we mean by asymptotic analysis? Asymptotic analysis helps in evaluating the performance of an algorithm in terms of input size and its increase. So let's say we are given an algorithm with certain input size. We use this asymptotic analysis and determine the performance of an algorithm. So this study also helps us in determining, let's say if the input size is less, then how much time the algorithm is taking, and if we increase the input size, then how much time or space the algorithm is taking. So usually when we do this asymptotic analysis, we don't actually measure the actual running time of an algorithm. This analysis simply helps us in determining that how time and space taken up by algorithm increases with the input size. So as we already discussed, that if the input size to an algorithm is less, then less time and space will be required by the algorithm to process that input. And if we slowly increase the size of the input, usually the time and space will also increase. So this asymptotic analysis helps us in determining that increase. And also when we perform this analysis, there are certain notations which we need to know to perform the asymptotic analysis. So we'll discuss about the asymptotic notations in our upcoming videos. So in this video we simply discussed about a basic introduction to asymptotic analysis. In our upcoming video, we'll discuss about the asymptotic notations and the types of asymptotic notations. I hope you like this video. Thanks, have a nice day.